Hit the red button to subscribe and press the bell icon on YouTube app and you will never miss another update. Hello, Namaste. Welcome to Anan India channel. In this video, I will take you to the Revdanda fort. The Revdanda fort is located at 23 kilometers from Alibag, 180 kilometers from Pune and 105 kilometers from Mumbai. We left Alibag early in morning to the Revdanda fort. The roads in Kokan looks more beautiful in early morning. On right you can see a beautiful old historic temple. We are near Revdanda village. On right you can see some remains of Revdanda fort. In front you can see a signboard showing way to the Revdanda fort. The circumference of fort is around 5 kilometers. The fortification wall surrounds entire village of Revdanda and most of the zone is private. There is the parking for Revdanda fort. On right you can see some remains of old building. In front there is a huge tall watchtower. Around watchtower there are 7 cannons lying on the ground. In history this watchtower plays important role for Portuguese Navy. Around the watchtower, Portuguese built a small production factory in 1516. Just outside the fortification wall of watchtower, there is a way to the Revdanda beach through the field of coconut trees known as Nahadachi Wadi in Marathi. There are remains of fort spread all across the Revdanda village. This is the remains of entrance gate of Revdanda fort towards Arabian Sea. Outside you can see the fortification wall of Revdanda fort struggling against sea water from 15th century. On the right end of fortification wall, the Kundalika river meets Arabian Sea. Let's go towards north of Revdanda fort. The Portuguese commander Soch fortified the Revdanda fort in 1528. On 22nd July 1683, during night time, the Marathas attacked the Revdanda fort, but Portuguese successfully defeated the fort by attacking the Fonda fort of Marathas. On 25th November 1740, the Portuguese gave over Revdanda fort and Korlai fort to Marathas and in exchange got responsibility of the towns of Shasti, Iceland. In below description you will find link for Korlai fort. In 1806, the British took over the Revdanda fort. Kanoji Angre conquered the fort back in 1817, but in 1818 the British recaptured the fort again. We are at the north end of fortification. There is a way which will take us to the top of fortification wall. From the fortification wall, you can have the beautiful view of Revdanda beach, which is one of the cleanest beach of Kokan. Over the fortification wall, you can see provision for cannons and guns on right. There is a big banyan tree having a long roots on the fortification wall. Soon it will destroy all the remains of fort. Let's move forward. Here there is a small cannon lying on the fortification wall. This is the window made for the cannon. From here you can see the view of fortification wall. The inside of Revdanda fort is occupied by number of coconut trees, which looks beautiful. I hope you like this video. You can follow Unknown India channel on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Hit the red button to subscribe and press the bell icon on YouTube app and you will never miss another update.